Chicky Adventures, episode 11. It is rain, and all the little birdies are soggy. Except for these ones. These ones are good. Most of the birdles are soggy. That one's beard is soggy. Where's Dave? He's very soggy. Dave! Oh! Look there! Look at those wet birds. Look how soggy they are. Soggy, wet birds. Those ones are very soggy as well. These are the dry ones. They're dry. They stay under the carport. Oh crap. Ow. There's broken glass in my shoe now. These ones are staying dry under the carport. Because they want to. Oh my god, that guy's on the ladder. He flew up there. Kind of. Flew. These 3 orange ends are going out into the grass where they are wet. Nobody knows how they can take this cold. Isis! She is adventuring into Chicken Lot, where it is dry. You can see these ones are still under the carport. Look at them, all happy under the placemat. I should really go back inside.